Hi and welcome to this CREO Process Plan training. The idea for this video is to learn how to create PROCs or procedures for making a step-by-step assembly process. So let's start by getting into the grabcap.com homepage. Remember that you need to sign up in order to download files. So once that you have completed that step, go to the Community tab, then click in Library, and we are going to look for the following file. It's called Rooster and Chick. Click enter, click here, go to the stat file, download it, and once that you have downloaded, copy the address of the folder that you have saved it. Then let's go to CREO and open the stat file. Remember that the stat files are not native files, so by default you won't see it, so you need to change the type to all files in order to see it. So double click on it, keep as an assembly, and click OK. And just wait a few seconds until all the components have been imported. So this assembly has two components or two main sub-assemblies, that is the chick and the rooster. So I will just make the rooster for this example. So you can complete the exercise by doing the chick is smaller than the rooster. So you can keep practicing with other files if you want. So in order to do that, I will look for the rooster that is here, and I will select all these files like this, and I move them up here, and I will remove these components, delete. And the next step is to put in order all the components the way you would do it physically. So this will be the first component. Then I will move the body up here, 3, 4, then this one, 5 is correct. Then here, the back should be maybe here. This one should be down here. We have the chest, the back, the beak, then the head maybe. So the tail, this and this should be almost at the end. So this one and this one right here. So we have the beak, the head, these components, the legs, the feet, and the tail. All right, so this could be the best way to assemble this toy. So the next step is to save our assembly locally. So I will save a backup, and I will save it in my same folder where I downloaded. I mean the stat file. So click OK, click OK. There you go. So now the next step is to create a new file, assembly, process plan, and I will write down rooster_proc. Click OK. Then we will click in sequence, new step, assemble, done. Click in open, and let's look for the rooster. So click open, and let's activate the first component. So I will click OK, then done. All right, so I will create a simplified representation. So I will write down _1, and I will activate the first part. So in order to avoid doing this over and over, I mean for the step 2, I will need to activate the first component, second and third, etc. So I will show you a trick, all right? So let me finish the first one, and then we can copy and paste the representations in order to avoid doing the same work, because this is an easy subassembly. It's just a few components, maybe 10 to 15 components. But when you have hundreds of components, it's maybe not right? So let me show you a trick. So I will just finish the step one and I show you something else. So we have the simplified representation for the step number one. So we click close. We don't need to explode anything because this is the first component, so nothing needs to be explored. So there is no explode state here. And I will click OK. And let's go to the process step right here, process sequence. And OK, so Control A in my keyboard to open this menu again. I will click in sequence, next step, assemble. I will click OK, and I will select the next three parts, 1, 2, 3, that are the main body. And I will click Control Tab to show this window, and I will click OK. I will click OK, done here, and on the simplified representation, you will see that the step number one, I mean the simplified representation for the step number one has been modified because I add new components. So in this particular case, I will do the following. I will create a new simplified representation. I won't modify the step number one because I don't want to remove the three components in the first representation. So I will click no. I will create a new simplified representation called step underscore two. And what I'm going to do is this is what I'm trying to avoid, to select the first component and the new three components that I just selected. So just imagine if you have 100 components and you need to do everything again and again. So this is not okay. Okay. So I will click open. So what I'm going to do is to create a new representation with the components that we already have right here. So I will click in copy, step underscore three, click OK. I make a copy, snapshot, yes, okay. And keep the step underscore two selected. Don't select the step number three, all right? So click close. And now we need to create a new explode here. So I will click in the explode state, define new. This will be called step two. I will click enter, edit position, and I will move these components up like this. It's a little higher. Okay. Then I will click in this magic wand and I will select this cylindrical surface and this surface. And I do the same for the other two components just to show where they must be assembled. All right. So I will click close. Okay. And this is a very important step. You need to right mouse button here to activate this window and then click save. If you don't save the explode, you will lose your explode state. So you will need to start over. Okay, so don't forget to save your explosions. So click close, click OK, and Control Alt Tab in my keyboard to activate this window. New step, assemble, done, and I will select the next component that may be only this one. Control Alt Tab, click OK, done. The simplified representation defined. Double click on the step 3, click OK, and edit definition, and just activate the last component that we just selected. So this is easier, right? Because you don't need to select all the components again. So I will click open. And what I'm going to do is to make a new copy of the step 3, and I will call it underscore 4. Click OK. Keep step underscore 3 selected. Click close. Then explode, define, new explode, step underscore 3, edit definition, move this component up, Then use the magic wand, select this surface, and you can select this area. Click close. OK. Right mouse button, save. OK. And close. And OK. All right. New step. Assemble. Done. I will select the next component that will be the chest and the back. So it's this and this. OK. Done. Simplify representation, define, double click in the step number 4, edit definition, and select the two new components, open. Let's make a new copy of this one, step underscore 5, yes, keep underscore 4 selected, close, explode, define, new, step underscore 4, edit position, move them up, magic wand, select this surface, this one, then it can be this surface right here, and then select this surface, click close, select this line that is outside of the component, click in explode lines, edit, and move this line down like this. Click OK, right mouse button, save, OK, close, and OK. New step, assemble, and let's add the peak. Done. Simplify representation. Let me see. Yeah, the peak. Let me see if I selected. No, it's not selected. Component, select here. Middle mouse button. Done. Simplify representation. Double click on step 5. Click OK. Edit definition. Activate the last component that I just selected. It's the peak. Make a copy. Step underscore 6. OK. Keep underscore 5 selected. Click close. Explode state. Create a new explode. Step underscore 5. Edit position. Move it up. Select the magic wand. This surface over here. Close. OK. Right mouse button. Save. OK. Close. And OK. New step. Assemble. Let's select the next one that will be the head and these two components. Done. Simplify representation. Double click on step 6. Edit definition. And select 1, 2, 3, and activate. Click OK. Make a copy of this one. Step underscore 7. Yes. Keep underscore 6 selected and click close. Explode state. Define. New explode. Step underscore 6. Edit position. Magic wand. this surface, and this one, this surface, and this one, and finally this cylindrical surface and this surface. Close. Let's fix this line. Explode lines, edit. There you go. Click OK. Right mouse button, save, OK. Close, OK. New step, assemble, done. And let's add the next two components, the top of the head. Click OK, done. Simplify representation, define, double click on step 7, edit, edit definition, activate the next two, click open, let's make a copy, step 8, okay, keep _7 selected, close, explode state, define, new, step _7, new, oops, let me remove this one, okay, 7, edit, edit definition, and let's move this component up like this. My one, I will select this surface and I will put it almost here. All right, so click close, select this line, edit, click OK, right mouse button, save, OK, close, and OK. Next step, assemble. Let's add this one and this one. Click OK. No, they haven't been selected. Quit. Components, define. I will select 1, 2. OK. Done. Simplify representation, define. Double click on _8. Edit definition. Activate the next two components. Click open. And let's create a new copy. Step 9. Click OK. Yes. Keep _8 selected. Close. Explode state. Define. New. Step _8. Edit. Edit position. This. My one. I will select this surface and this surface like this. Close. OK. Right mouse button. Save. OK. Close. OK. And the last step. New step. Assemble. Done. Select 1, 2. Click OK. Done. Simplify representation. Define. Double click on _9. Click OK. Edit definition. And you can select the whole thing now. Like this. There is no need to make a new copy because this is the last step. So just click close. Explode state. Define. Step 9. Edit. Edit definition. Edit position. Let's move these components up. ID 1, I will select this surface. And here. And this surface will be attached to this surface. Apply. Close. I will select this crazy line, explode lines. Then I move this here and this here. Click OK. So that will tells me that this part goes there. Right mouse button, save, OK, and close. And click OK. So just click in explode view to connect everything together. So all the PROC has been completed. So I will file, save as, and not save as, sorry, backup. Save as, save a backup, and I will save my new process plan assembly file. All right. Then I will click in new drawing, rooster underscore, rooster is okay. So I will click OK. Keep it as is, empty, it's an empty drawing. So I will select the step number 1, click OK. General view, I will click it to avoid this window in the future. Then I will click here, OK, table from file, step number. Then this may not be the best position for my step number 1, but I will keep it there for a sec. Or let's open the PROC file again. So you should have it right here. So click here. If you want to have this position, I will save this view like this. So I will click here in the orientation and reorient. And I will save it as Rooster. You can save your name if you want. And click save it. Okay. And then let's go back to the drawing. And I will change the orientation to the one that I just saved, like this. All right. So then I will click in layout, drawing models, set state. I will select the step number 2, click OK, done, general view. I will select the view I just saved. I will click in table, step number. Something is not right. Can you see this line is out of the position? So I will go back to the PROC. And if you click here, you will see all the steps that you created. So I will edit definition, the step 2. And I will go to the explode state here, define, edit position. I will select this line, explode lines, edit. I will click OK, right mouse button, save, OK, and close. And OK, there you go. Let's go back to the drawing. So now the line is fixed. OK, layout, drawing models, set state, step 3, click OK, done, general view, 7, table from file, step number. I will start moving the views right here. Otherwise I won't have enough space. There you go. Okay, next one, layout, drawing model, set state, step 4, done, general view, click here. Okay, let's go to table from file, step number. There you are. Next one, layout, drawing model, set state, step 5, done, general view, 7, Table from file, step number. Next one, layout, we model, set state, step 6. Okay, done. General view. I may need to change the size, so let me see what is the scale. Let's put it 2 for all of them because this is too big. 2. Double click, scale 2. Okay, table. Number 4. Number 5. Scale 2. Number 6. Table from file, step number. Let's activate 7. Okay, general view, scale 2, table from file. Next one, remove them right here. Layout, drawing model, set, step 8, done, general view, scale 2, table, and finally the tail. So layout, set state, step 9, okay, done, general view, 2, and table from step number. And what we usually do for as a last step, we can do the following, just like an additional step. I mean, not an assembly step, but sometimes the complete assembly is shown here. So basically it's the same one as a step 9, but without the explode view, right? So what I'm going to do is to keep the step 9 selected, and I will add a new general view, step 1, scale 2, apply. By instead having the explode state, I will select in view state, and I will unselect the explode component, apply, and you can show this one as the complete assembly. Sometimes it's shown as this, so you can just add this in the first page maybe of your procedure drawing, or you can keep it as is. So pretty much this is all the steps for creating your process drawing. I hope it helps. Thank you very much.